The latest Tecplot 360 MB build has introduced a new extract isosurface dialog that allows you to select a single variable and specify multiple isosurface values at once. In this video, we will show you how this new dialog simplifies the extract isosurface workflow. On the left, we have 360EX 2024 R1, and on the right, we have the new 360 MB beta. In this demonstration, we are looking at a CONVERGE dataset of a water pump impeller. In this case, we will use the extract isosurface feature to plot a cylindrical slice at a constant radius. Once we have an isosurface of the cylindrical shape, we will be able to unwrap it in a 2D view to understand what is happening around the circumference of the isosurface. With Tecplot 360EX, we toggle on isosurfaces, and we need to define the shape with a contour variable. So we have to visit the contour details dialog to choose the radius variable, then switch back to the isosurface details dialog to plot at radius equals 0.02. If we want to see this in a 2D plot, we need to extract it from Data, Extract, Isosurfaces. To see it unwrapped, we create a new frame and make a few style adjustments, which are defined in a style sheet we are loading here. However, if we want to save all of our work as a layout, we are required to resave our data because of the extracted isosurface. The downside of this is that it duplicates the data on disk and does not allow us to reuse this layout for different datasets. To do the same workflow with Tecplot 360 MB, we have created a new extract isosurface dialog, which simplifies the workflow by giving direct access to all the variables and allows for extracting the isosurface without having to plot it first. Here, we already have the full variable list in the extract isosurfaces dialog, and we can choose to extract at radius equals 0.02 through the CONVERGE cell data right away. Next, create the 2D plot by creating new frame and loading the previously prepared style sheet. If we want to save a layout, we are not required to resave any data because the extraction has been saved to the data journal. And if we close, then reopen the layout, the extraction required to complete the layout is performed automatically. Finally, if we reconsider where we want the position of the isosurface, this can quickly be done from the data journal to change the radius to 0.025, for example, and everything updates accordingly. In 360EX, a new extraction is needed each time we want to change the radius. Whereas in 360 MB, the data journal will update the extraction automatically whenever it is changed. With Tecplot 360 MB, extracting an isosurface is faster, easier, and allows for quick adjustments with the data journal. Try out 360 MB by reaching out to support@tecplot.com or downloading it in your My Tecplot portal.